Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Creating a brand new Snapchat account is straightforward process. So today we are here with a step-by-step guide to sign up for new Snapchat. So first thing first, open your app store on your mobile device and search for the Snapchat and download the Snapchat app developed by Snap Inc. Once downloaded, tap on the Snapchat icon to open the app. Then simply tap on the sign up or create account. Then enter your first name and last name. After you do that, simply continue with the process. Now choose your birthday. Select your birth date from the options provided. You need to be at least 13 years old to create a Snapchat account. Now choose a username that you want to use on Snapchat. This username will be visible to your friends and contacts. After that, create a password for a Snapchat account. Make sure it is strong and secure. After you provide a password, continue with the process and now enter your mobile phone number or email address. Snapchat will send a verification code to verify your account. Enter the verification code received via SMS for phone number or email for email address. After verifying your phone number or email address, follow any addition prompts to set your profile picture, add friends, and customize your settings. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.